Dallas, honey, could you go get the mail for me?
Dear. Oh, it's raining.
Renaldo strikes again!
Hey! He's got my mail! Ugh, I won't get away with that!
So Renaldo, tell us about your inside life. Real deep. You. And personal.
Yes. A lot of people ask about the real Renaldo. I mean, I run around stealing people's mail, that's normal, you know. I'm just your average everyday supervillain. But, if you really must know, I enjoy long walks on the beach, quiet gardening,
Yeah.
surfing the internet. I just moved to America from Brazil, and I'm really into American pornography.
Freaking mail.
Renaldo. Renaldo's penthouse. 254-8905.
Hello?
Dude! You stole my mail!
No.
Oh, okay then. Bye-bye.
So what types of American pornography do you like?
Oh, well, I prefer Easy Elders. I mean, they're so old, it's really quite amazing how it even gets up. I just fantasize with me. Another one is catwreckers.com, because they wreck that thing.
Go on upstairs. What's this? It's upside down.
Dear boy I saw in driveway, I really did steal your mail.
Took my
Love,
mail!
Renaldo.
He did, he's lying on the phone! Ugh.
So Renaldo, how did you get your superpowers?
Doesn't matter how I got them. I have them now.
True.
That's all you need to know.
So Renaldo, how's your sex life?
My what?
Your sex life.
I don't do that.
What?